Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Virgo. Virgo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Okay. So let's start the reading for Virgo. Okay. Virgo, in this reading, first of all, I'm going to see your current energy and your partner's current energy. Okay. So this is your current energy, Knight of Swords and Knight of Cups. Okay. Virgo, it's you, Knight of Swords, okay, who wants to start something new in your life as fast as you can. Okay, you are kind of very much keen to start something new. Maybe you want to offer something to someone. Okay, maybe you are waiting for something, okay, in your life. But with this card, I'm seeing that you are not someone who is, who can wait for something, or who is waiting for something. Either instead, you are somebody who are the doer. Okay, you are someone who does not want to wait for anything. You want to make things happen as per your wish, as per your desires. So you are doing a lot of hard work and to get that thing. Okay, and yes, you are, you are just riding on your horse as fast as you can to get your desired thing. Okay, it could be relationship, it could be money, it could be finances, it could be your goals, it could be anything. Okay, see, you are being very stressed, I would say. you are I'm seeing that you are very stressed about something. Okay, maybe you want to start something new. Maybe for some of you, you want to start something new in terms of your career. Maybe you want to shift your job. You want to change your job. You want to shift your location. Maybe you want to shift, you want to move out from your current place. Okay, so whatever it is, you are just taking your uh, swords in your hand, and you are just riding your horse as fast as you can, so that you can be out from that particular area, per particular job, career, or whatever it is. Okay, your person current energy, it is Knight of Cups. Your person is taking lot of time to offer you this Knight of Cups. Okay, maybe they are seeing some hard they are seeing something wrong. Okay, they just want to take their own time to come forward and offer you this Knight of Cups. Okay, 1 minute. Are you running towards your person? Virgo, are you running towards your person because you feel that they are into some kind of a trouble? Your person wants to offer you this page of Knight of Cups. Okay, there is a river in front of them, and their horse is still, it's not moving anywhere. Okay, because your person knows the moment this horse will start riding, their love offer will, this cup will be empty, or this cup could be empty. So they are doing nothing, they are just standing still. Okay, this horse is standing still, he is not going anywhere. Okay, because they have a lot of emotions for you. Your person has a lot of emotions for you, Virgo, and they do not want this cup to be empty. And since this river is ahead of them, so it's kind of scary for them to cross this river. So I feel it's you it's you who are running towards your person. Okay, you want to help them, and you genuinely wants to help them. You are just running like anything. You want to reach out to them as fast as you can. Okay, okay, so let's see. So these are your current energies. This is your current energy, this is your partner's current energy. Okay, now let's see what you feel about, I mean, how you see this relationship. Okay, and how your person sees this relationship. Okay, we have Five of Pentacles and King of Swords. 1 minute, are you guys moving away from each other? Okay, because this card came like this. For some of you, I feel, Virgo, that you do not want to be with this person anymore. Okay, because you are being very stressed. You are, I mean, you are looking very stressed in this card. Okay, you are angry. Maybe he has done something with you. Maybe this person has done something with you. Maybe he has cheated with you. Okay, maybe this cup is empty. For some of you, maybe, Virgo, you feel that this cup is empty. Maybe you went to meet your person, but they, and you find that they are just giving you nothing but false hopes, that yes, I'm trying to do something in this relationship, or I want to convey, or I want to commit into this to you in this relationship, and I want to do this for you, and I want to do that for you, but they are not taking any action. Okay, I mean, see, there are two stories. Either you are running towards your person to help them, okay? And for some of you, I feel that you are just moving away from this person. I mean, as fast as you can, because you have sense that your person is giving you nothing but a bullshit. Okay, they are not giving you anything. They are just giving you false promises. They are just giving you false hopes. Okay, somehow you have find out that this cup is empty. Okay, maybe you guys have talked a lot, and you have got a intuition that your person does not want to commit to you. Maybe they are just doing time pass with you, and this is the reason you just want to move away from this person as fast as you can. Okay, this is the reason you are feeling left out by this person, because you feel that they are not offering you something. Okay, you feel in this relationship I mean, you feel that they have left you out. Okay, you feel that when you feel that they have left you in cold. Okay, this is a cold night, and when the time when you genuinely wanted them, they just left you. They have just closed their doors in front on your face. Okay, and that's why you are feeling left out in this relationship. You feel that this is not the person with whom or with whom I would like I can spend my life. Okay, or maybe you must be thinking in your mind and your heart that which kind of a person with I'm dealing with. Okay, so you are doing nothing, you are just being sad, and you are just crossing this relationship. Maybe you just want to move out. I mean, you are just moving away from this person and from this relationship, because you feel that they have left you in this cold night. Okay, and with this King of Swords, your person is feeling as someone who is the dictator. Okay, they are pretending as a dictator, Virgo. Okay, you feel that, I mean, they are someone who wants to run this relationship on their own terms. Okay, because they are making you fool. With this Knight of Cups, they are giving you nothing but an empty cup. Okay, and they feel that you are someone who can dance on their tune. Okay, with this Knight of Swords, you feel that I mean, they feel that they are the king and you are nothing. So they feel that they can treat you the way they want. Okay, the way they like. They can mistreat you, and you are not going to do anything. Okay, so they are pretending as a king. Okay, they can take decisions in this relationship. It's not a mutual thing. They are dictating this relationship, they are dictating you. Okay, now let's see what you feel about your person, Virgo, and what your person feels about you. And I will also clarify why this Five of Pentacles. Oh. Okay. So this is your energy for your partner. You feel that your person is someone who doesn't have any emotions within them, because as I have just told you that he is being bossy, okay, and he has nothing to offer you apart from this empty cup. Okay, so you feel that they are being very money minded. Okay, they just want to control things on the with the power of their money. Maybe they are well settled in their life. Okay, maybe they have a lot of money with them. Okay, so that's why they feel that they belongs to some royal family, and they can treat anyone the way they want. Okay, they feel that they are, I mean, you feel with this Four of Pentacles about them that they are somebody who is very money minded, who does not want to lose their money. Okay, they have their own kingdom, and they also treat you as nobody. Okay, yeah. Now let's see what your person feels about you. Your person feels about you that you are somebody who is kind of stuck on them. Okay, they feel that you are somebody who is, who does not want to leave them. Okay, they feel that you are very weak. Okay, you are very uh depend I mean, you depend on them. Okay, so they feel that you are not going to move anywhere. Okay, that's why you are in this Hanged Man energy and in this Eight of Swords energy. You are not the rebel. Okay, they have sensed that, that's why they are dictating you. They have sensed that you are not somebody who can take or who can stand for themselves. Okay, with this Eight of Swords and Hangman, with this Hangman card, they feel that you are someone who can be uh, you know uh, manipulate. Okay, they see you as someone, I mean, they feel that they can manipulate you at any point of time. Okay, anytime, anywhere. They found you as someone who is being a blind person. Okay, they can, they know that you can make yourself free at any point of time, but you are not taking any action towards your own freedom. This is the reason they are dictating you. This is the reason they are dictating you. Okay, because they have no, I mean, they know now that you are not going to move anywhere. Okay, you have accepted their slavery, so they are seeing you as a slave. Okay, who is not going to who is not going to say anything to their master. They are not treating you as a lover, they are treating you as a slave. And that's really sad. That's really, really sad. Okay, I need to clarify why this Five of Pentacles. Emperor, King of Swords. We have Emperor, King of Swords. Both of you are reflecting as a king, okay, as an emperor. But the thing is that you are being a kind emperor, and he is being a rude, okay, emperor. He is pretending themselves as a dictator, but you, on the other hand, you are pretending yourself as a emperor. Okay, who has emotions as well within them, who has love within them, but they are somebody who is being very shrewd, who is very cunning. Okay, they are very dictative, I mean, they are dictating you. Okay, so this is the reason. since you have emotions within your heart as an emperor, you have love within your heart as an emperor, that's why you are, and you you must have, you know, genuine emotions for them as well, but you feel that this is not the correct way. I mean, this, you does not want to take anything on your dignity, okay, on your character. That's why when they have closed you, okay, they must have tell you, they must have abused you, they must have say wrong words to you, and you are being the emperor, you have chosen your dignity first, okay, your self respect, uh, self respect first, and you are just move out, and this is the reason you just want to move away from them as fast as you can. Okay. Okay, so now let's see what is going to be the future potential. What is going to be the future potential for Virgo? What is going to be the future potential of Virgo? Virgo, you need not to worry at all, because I am seeing somebody new is coming into your way to offer you this Page of Cups. And you need to be beware, because if your person is returning to you with this Knight of Cups, you need to alert, okay, because he might be offering you this dead fish. He might be just playing with your emotions one more time. Okay, but I'm seeing something new is about to happen, or something new, some new offer is about to come into your life with this Page of Cups. Someone new is coming. This person is looking very calm, very peaceful, okay, so maybe universe is offering you with a person who can genuinely invest in you emotionally, and who can somebody who can give you genuine emotions, care, affection, attachment, okay. So something new is about to start in your life in future. Somebody new is arriving in your life to offer you this Page of Cups, but you need to be very very you know, aware, beware, aware, okay. You need to be very very alert that if your person is returning to you, you should not take anything from them, okay. Maybe this time they are offering you this dead ship, no, sorry, dead fish, okay. So just just be open, okay. Open your heart, open your mind, open your ear, open your eyes. Let's see, I mean, just observe what they are doing right now, how they are treating you, or if in future they come towards you, how they are treating you now, okay. You, because they see you as they, I mean, they feel that they can manipulate you at any point of time, but you should not be in this energy anymore, okay. And that's the best thing which you are doing right now with this Knight of Swords. You are just moving out from this relationship as fast as you can, and that's the best thing which you are doing, okay. Okay, so Virgo, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Aries with this Emperor card. We have Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign with this Eight of Swords, King of Swords, and Knight of Swords. We have water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Some of you could be dealing with them also with this Page of Cups, Knight of Cups, okay. We have Pisces in this reading with this Hanged Man. We have Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn in this reading with this Four of Pentacles and Five of Pentacles, okay. Okay, so that was the reading for Virgo people. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.